In this video, I will show you how to turn energy saving mode off on LG Smart TV. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, to be able to disable energy saving mode on your TV, the first thing you'll need to do is to turn on your TV and then click on the settings button on your remote and then head over into the all settings section. Now in here, go ahead and select General and then OLED Care. Now after that, under that, you'll be able to find the device self-care. Click on that and then click on energy saving step and then disable that if that is enabled on your TV. So if it is disabled, under the energy saving step, you'll be able to find that off label. So that's basically how you can turn energy saving mode off on LG Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Also, kindly don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.